Fix in 5. P0492. Secondary air injection system, bank 2 not detected or circuit malfunct. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, secondary air injection system not functioning, potential emission test failure, vehicle operates with reduced emission control. Now the most likely causes. Faulty secondary air injection pump. Blocked or disconnected air injection hoses. Defective air injection check valve. Electrical connector corrosion or loose connection. Failed solenoid valve. What does it cost? Roughly €79.99 to €130 doing it yourself, or €199.99 to €250 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Replace faulty secondary air injection pump. Repair or replace damaged air injection hoses. Replace defective check valve. Clean or replace corroded electrical connectors. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, will P0492 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0492 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0492. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.